The heart girth measures should be greater than the horse's height, which indicates good lung function and increases stamina at work. So there's your
right.
So what did we learn today, Mike?
What did we learn today?
Talking terminology. What does it mean when someone talks about the heart girth?
Well, we're talking about the measurement around the barrel of the horse. You measure where the girth lies up to. Well, you would be behind the mane, behind the withers a little bit, right there, pretty much. And
why is this important?
Well, that would have to do with conformational issues or not, whether a horse is going to be a good athlete, and you can find charts out there that will show with breeds what the average should or should not be.
So the heart girth on my handy dandy cheat sheet here says the chest capacity of a horse is often measured by the horse's heart girth, which is the circumference of the horse measured behind the forelegs and the withers with a flexible tape measure or string. The heart girth measures should be greater than the horse's height, which indicates good lung function and increases stamina at work. So there's
right.
That's why we talk about the heart girth and make sure you have the right
they got to get air in them. They got to have good circulation, and they've got to be able to use that. And
you're touching on the chest conformation and implications of different conformation types.
Right. Like your horses that are extremely wide will tend to paddle, kind of like you. Very big, carry on muscle.
I dog paddle.
You dog paddle. But depending on the job and agility, on a really broad-chested horse, sometimes you lose some agility. But if you got a horse that's going to pull, fine. If you got a horse that's that's got to make fast maneuvers, that type chest isn't going to work. Where one that's more oblong, and then also with the way the rib cage forms back, it needs to be wider behind the rider's legs for the rider. And if you got one that's very broad across there, it's not going to fit riders as well. But if you've got a pulling horse, that may be more of an advantage to them.